Hello students, welcome to the third video of trigonometry. In this video, we are going to see the useful results based on compound angles. Okay. In previous video, we had seen about compound angle. So now we are going to see some useful result based on compound angle. So the first result says that sin a plus b into sin a minus b is equal to sin square a minus sin square b. Okay. So actually this will come like this. Prove that sin a plus b into sin a minus b is sin square a minus sin square b. Okay. So now let's see the proof for this. So first take left hand side. Left hand side is sin a plus b into sin a minus b, right? Left hand side is sin a plus b into sin a minus b. Now apply sin a plus b formula. So sin a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, right? Sin cos plus cos sin. So sin a cos b plus cos a sin b into, then apply sin a minus b formula. So sin a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Okay. So after applying sin a plus b and sin a minus b formula, next is, say this terms. This is nothing but like a plus b into a minus b, right? Where a is this sin a plus b, this term is a, and b is cos a sin b, this term, right? Sin a cos b is a, and consider this cos a sin b as b. Then this part is a plus b into a minus b. Okay, and we know that a plus b into a minus b is nothing but a square minus b square, right? So by using this result, we can write this as, this is equal to, left hand side is equal to this a part whole square, means sin a cos b whole square minus cos a sin b whole square, right? Now that means sin square a into cos square b minus cos square a into sin square b. Now what we have to do, we have to convert this cos into sin. Okay, convert cos into sin, because left hand side is only sin term. So we have to convert this cos into sin. So I can write this cos square b as 1 minus sin square b and cos square a as 1 minus sin square a, right? So cos square b is 1 minus sin square b and cos square a is 1 minus sin square a. So after converting cos to sin, we get this term. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply this with sin square a. So what I am getting, sin square a minus sin square a into sin square b. Then multiplying this second term with sin square b. So what I am getting, sin square b minus sin square a into sin square b. So after cancelling this terms, right, sin minus sin square a into sin square b and plus sin square a into sin square b will be cancelled. So finally we get sin square a minus sin square b. Okay. So result 1 is what? Result 1 is sin a plus b into sin a minus b, that will be sin square a minus sin square b. Okay. So result 1 is clear. Now in previous result, by replacing sin square theta as 1 minus cos square theta, what we get? We get sin a plus b into sine A minus B is equal to cos square B minus cos square A. Okay, or cos square A minus cos square B is equal to minus sine A plus B into sine A minus B. Okay, so important, what we have sine A plus B into sine A minus B, that is equal to sine square A minus sine square B, right? In that, what we are doing, we are putting sine square A as 1 minus cos square A and sine square B as 1 minus cos square B. Then what we will get, sine square A is 1 minus cos square A, right? Then minus sine square B is 1 minus cos square B, right? So that will be 1 minus cos square A minus 1 minus plus cos square B. So plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So finally first we write positive term. So cos square B minus sine square cos square A. Okay, so this sine A plus B into sine A minus B is also equal to cos square B minus cos square A. Okay, so sine A plus B into sine A minus B is equal to either sine square A minus sine square B, okay, or this is equal to cos square B minus cos square A. Okay, this can be written as cos square A minus cos square B. Means what I am doing, I am taking from this, I am taking minus as common. So after multiplying both the side by minus, we get cos square A minus cos square B is equal to, here it will come minus sign, minus sine A plus B into sine A minus B. Okay, so result 1 is clear. Result 1 is sine A plus B into sine A minus B, that is equal to either sine square A into sine square B, or that is equal to, this is also equal to cos square B minus cos square A. Okay, so let's see the second result. Second result is cos A plus B into cos A minus B, that is equal to cos square A minus sine square B. Okay, now let us see the proof. So proof is cos A plus B into cos A minus B, that is equal to, apply the formula, cos A plus B is cos A cos B plus है तो minus sin A sin B into cos A minus B. Cos A minus B will be cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay, now again this is in the form of A plus B into A minus B, right? And that will be a square minus B square form, right? So after using this formula, we get this as cos A cos B whole square minus sin A sin B whole square, right? So that means cos square A into cos square B minus sin square A into sin square B. But see the right hand side. In right hand side, first term is cos. So I have to convert this cos square B in sin. So after converting cos square B in sin, we get 1 minus sin square B. Then second term is cos square sin square B. So in that I have to convert this sin square A in cos. So write the sine square a as 1 minus cos square a. Okay. Now after writing this, next multiplication. So do the multiplication. So cos square a minus cos square a into sine square b. Then minus sine square b minus minus plus cos square a into sine square b. Now cancel out the opposite terms. So cos square a sine square b, here it is negative, here it is positive. So after cancelling that term, what I am getting? Cos square a minus sine square b. Okay. So the second result says that cos a plus b into cos a minus b, that will be cos square a minus sine square b. Okay. Then examples. So before going to example, I am concluding this video. In next video we can see the example based on compound angle result 1 and result 2. Okay. So thank you students.